Good morning, welcome to my channel. My name's Amy and this is Amy's Adventures in Blunderland. Today is Monday, it's the start of a new week and hopefully it will be a little bit more interesting than it has been the last few weeks. I am just about to walk to work. Yes, you heard me right, I'm walking. Good morning. It is Tuesday and I am walking to work for the second day in a row. So I really thought I should document it because this has never happened, I don't think. It's just gone 8 o'clock. People are already cutting the grass. Feels like summer today. And I am dressed for the occasion because yesterday, one sec. Yesterday I had leggings and boots on and it was boiling. And at work the heating slash aircon system is weird and doesn't seem to work, and yesterday we were sat in 27-degree heat inside, me with my leggings and my boots on. Took my boots off, left my leggings on, otherwise I might have got sacked. Yeah, sweaty. So hopefully we'll get that sorted before proper summer kicks in, because I think we'll all be flaking out. It's so hot in there. So yes, it's Tuesday and I'm at work again. I'm always at work, although I say that I'm only at work 3 days next week because I'm off on Monday and nice, and I'm off on Friday because next Friday I am travelling to somewhere else and my friend is getting married on the Saturday, so I'm staying for a couple of nights in a Premier Inn, so I'll probably show you that. I obviously won't show you the wedding because that's not for me to show you, but I'll probably show you me getting ready and all that jazz. Tonight I think I'm going to go and see my granddad after work. Last night, Game of Thrones, oh my god, season 8, episode 5. If anyone's watching this, you know, later on in the year, not as it's coming out. What did you think? Season 8, episode 5? I'm not really sure how I feel about it, to be honest. I thought, I'm not going to do spoilers, but I thought it was probably one of the most harrowing episodes, and I'm a bit worried about the finale. We'll leave it at that, because I don't want to give anything away. Such a lovely morning. There's one bit of this walk that just seems to take forever. It's just a massive corner really, but I feel like there should be some kind of path to cut through. That's just because I'm lazy. Oh dear me. Right, I'm going to stop this here now because I don't know if I was even filming my face then, so sorry about that. but my arm's starting to hurt. So I will see you later. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday evening now and it's gorgeous, and I've come outside because the birds are singing and I thought it'd be nice to share, but they've stopped now. Lovely. Morning gang, it's Thursday and I'm walking again, but don't be fooled because I'm only walking halfway today. I've parked halfway down and I'm walking halfway, and yesterday I drove, but I'm still doing pretty well this week. I went for a walk at dinner time yesterday and the day before actually, so I've done some walking every day this week. People are driving past and looking at me. I don't care. So yeah, just thought I'd update you. Nothing more to report really. So I'll speak to you soon. Hello. It is Thursday evening. This is really bad light, bad angle. Oh well. I'm having one of them moments when I feel really pissed off. It's just been a funny day at work. I'm just taking all my jewellery off because I'm about to go in the bath. So that's that tingling noise. If you wonder, do you ever have them days? I'm sure you do. So yeah, I'm just about to go in the bath. But at least it's Friday tomorrow. And hopefully after my bath I won't feel as pissed off. It's just been one of them days. Well, not days, afternoons, office politics and all that balls. So yeah, this is really unflattering. Yeah, I'm gonna go now. But thanks for letting me share that with you. It is Friday night now. I have been out with my friends for some tea tonight, which was lovely. And I'm just, as you can tell, in bed, ready to go to sleep. Do you remember a few weeks ago I mentioned about being in a magazine? I'd written in to Fate and Fortune magazine about my cat that was killed last year by a car. We assume she was found in the middle of the road. So I'm actually in it now. Well, I'm not in it. My name is. My picture isn't, but Bella is. I'll insert a picture here somewhere. I'm a bit disappointed because I wanted to know. I asked where she was going, what she was doing. No, it doesn't really clear much up about that. So I'm a bit disappointed with the answer, but it was nice to see Bella's picture in the magazine. So that is that. I'm gonna finish the vlog here and I will see you again next week. Tomorrow for you is Monday. It's the final episode of Game of Thrones ever. Are any of you watching Game of Thrones? What do you think of the last series? Oh, what do you think is going to happen in the final? I'm scared. I'm looking forward to it, but I'm a bit, what's going to happen? Because you never know with Game of Thrones, do you? So I hope it ends it well. So yeah, just a little chat. Sorry, I just fiddle with my hair all the time in these videos. Fiddle with my hair and go, So anyway, I say so a lot as well, I think. So I'm gonna leave the vlog here and say thank you for watching, and I hope you are glad that this week was back to normal. I hope you're happy with that, and I will see you next week. Thank you for watching.